One of the key sectors that contribute to economic growth, social and political progress in a nation is the construction industry. According to the global data, the Malaysian construction industry is expected to grow by 16.5% in 2022, which will lead to spark in the growth of the country. Construction activities has caused a serious environmental issue for several reasons, including improper waste management practice in the construction project, the attitude of the construction workers, non-sustainable packaging of the construction material, and pollution. Construction technology is defined as the collections of innovative tools, machine modification, software, and other material utilized during the construction phase of a project to enable development in field construction method, including semi-automated and automated construction equipment. One of the issues is water pollution, thereby groundwater and surface water discharged from a construction site get contaminated with the numerous building materials such as VOC, paint, oil and other harmful components. Grading and demolition activity can create pollutant and harm our waterway. Seal and discolored water is the common material that can bring to water pollution. Because seal is small and analogous to dust, it is easily transported in water. Seal is common when a construction site removes the topsoil from a plot. Because of no hitch to stop the soil from flowing, soil particles can be suspended in the water. Secondly, a high pH indicates that the water is acidic, which is dangerous to human and aquatic life if it is digested. A construction site can contribute to the high pH of water by using concrete wash, which is pH of 12. It is frequently seen that concrete is washed out of leaking tip that present a veritable high risk to the environment. Various construction activities like land clearing, operations of diesel engine, demolition, burning and working with toxic material contribute to air pollution. This shows that the wind-borne contaminants like dirty particulate matter and volatile chemicals are spreading throughout the neighborhood. The main construction contaminants that are distributed by winds are asbestos, volatile organic compound VOC, gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide, and many more. Poor air quality can cause health problems such as cough, wheezing, shortness of breath, and respiratory disease.
The next issue is land pollution. There are approximately 25,600 tons of construction waste being produced by Malaysia every single day. It included waste such as bricks, wood, sand, metals, paint and varnishes, and also waste from the structures that are being demolished. So what is land pollution? It is the process of deterioration of anything that is on the earth's surface and below the ground level. The last issue is noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to any voices, sounds or noises that occurs on a very long time of period. It can be either outdoor, indoor or both. Some of the common examples of construction activities that are related to noise pollution are hammering, welding, knocking, piling or transportation of construction materials from one location to another location. Some of the effects of noise pollution are loss of hearing, the ability to focus, poor sleep quality and also discomfort and instability of human emotions.
Solution 1 for water pollution. Water pollution happens when harmful compounds used in construction such as oil, cement, diesel and paint wind up in our water supply. As we know, water is an important resource in all stages of the building process, from mixing the concrete to washing the equipment. Various construction activities generate wastewater and leading cause of water contamination. To improve water pollution control on construction sites, an efficient wastewater treatment system technology, which is filter press machine, used to improve water pollution control and help in reducing environmental impact. Firstly, slurry water is mostly released from concrete manufacturing and plant operations such as mixer truck cleaning can be recycled by this treatment system. For your information, this system can filter suspended particles from slurry and provide fresh water. A wastewater treatment system can significantly reduce the volume of water substance and reducing the carbon footprint. Lastly, the treated wastewater can be reused on the construction site and reducing water use.
Solution for air pollution. To reduce the risk of air pollution, we need to integrate the upgraded machinery that will replace the diesel engine machinery. For example, Volvo had developed the EC300E hybrid excavator that runs on electric power and uses a unique hydraulic hybrid Volvo technology. When working in populated region, the EC300E hybrid is a more environmentally responsible option because it can reduce the carbon dioxide emission by up to 15%. The EC300E hybrid is a simple solution with significant benefits when used in a dig and dump situation. In conclusion, we can say that these hybrid machineries will save more money on fuel, reduce pollutant, and increase the business profitability. Solution for land pollution. To reduce the risk of land pollution from the construction waste, one of the greatest innovations that have been introduced to the world is a construction waste disposal and recycling machine. Instead of throwing the construction waste into the landfill and contaminate the soil, we can use this machine to recycle the waste and create a new construction material. The working principle of this machine is conveying the construction waste to the crusher and turns it into a fine aggregate. Then, the recycled aggregate can be used to process a new brick making. Construction waste recycling project will solve the troublesome problem about the risk of construction waste that will increase the permeability of soil and lead to land pollution.
Solution 4 for noise pollution. Installing a construction noise barrier between the loud equipment and the noise-sensitive receiver is an efficient way of decreasing noise pollution on the construction site. This can be built on site from readily accessible building materials or from commercially available panels lined with sound-absorbing materials such as plywood, block, or stack to achieve the maximum shielding effect. A barrier should be built as close to the noise source as possible for best effectiveness. Then, a straight vertical barrier's length should be at least 5 times its height to reduce the noise effect. This method can yield an overall reduction of 5 to 10 decibel. In conclusion, engineering has a direct and vital impact on everyone's quality of life. As a result, the service given by engineers might be honest, impartial, fair, and equitable, as well as dedicated to the protections of public health, safety, and welfare. Engineers must use available technologies to meet the goals of controlling pollutants during or after constructions by use less hazardous substance, operating on less energy, and also promoting recycling. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.